In this video tutorial, we will look at the various extra features present in the Level 3 Aerospace database. This includes advanced information on high-performance alloys and composites, as well as the ability to show that certain material properties are temperature-dependent. So let's open CES EduPack and choose the Level 3 Aerospace database in the Advanced section. On the home page, we can see that, by default, we're in the material universe. You can navigate through other tables, such as the process universe, which contains over 200 processes, and important handbooks like the MMPDS or the Mill Handbook 17. Since we are specifically interested in aerospace applications, we'll select the Aerospace Materials subset. In order to view the additional information available in this database, let's open a materials datasheet. For example, the aluminum 7075 T6. Here. As you can see, the datasheet view is very similar to the Level 3 records, but there are several graphs. The standard properties in the material universe records relate to room temperature. However, some properties vary with temperature. This is what's displayed in the graphs. To alter the temperature at which the property is displayed, click on the parameters link below the property. A window pops up and there is a drop-down list for the value of the temperature on the right. You can either choose a value from the list or fill in your own temperature. You can see that all the values have now been recalculated at this temperature by extrapolating from the charts. If you wish to copy one of the graphs, click on the icon to the right and copy it from there. By default, all the functional data available in the record is displayed. If you wish to shorten the datasheet, click on the Show Height button at the top of the record. Additionally, if you scroll to the bottom of the record, there are links to other data tables, including to the MMPDS data, which contains design allowables used in the aerospace industry. In the following video tutorials, you can see how to use the other advanced databases and tools available in CES EduPack.